Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long, so I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way, friends. Apart from if you come 18 video, if you see 18 video, then 24 video, then 86 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because friends, I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. So friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I have covered the topic called is a walk-in the same as being possessed. So this I covered in last video, and in today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called what about destiny? Are karma, testing, and training separate from destiny? So let's see. And friends, this video is 149th number video, and the topic is what about destiny? Are karma, testing, and training separate from destiny? So let's see what Vipsi and Raju is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. Those who believe in destiny leads their life as through they are powerless. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that those who believe in destiny, they live their life as if they are powerless, as if they have no power, friends. Okay. They feel that no matter what they do, what has to happen will happen. This is not the right way of thinking. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. Many a people believe on destiny and they think whatever is there in my destiny, it is going to happen. What is going to happen, it is going to happen. So it is not the right way of thinking. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. As future circumstances depend on your present action, if you are a good soul, you will go through your testing and training only if your subconscious mind is open. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that so whatever if we are a good soul and if our subconscious mind is open, so we are going to go through our test and training. This is going to happen if we are in a good spiritual level, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. Your karma will come to you and you will be able to repay it quickly. Moreover, you will be led to additional testing and training only if you are dealing with your present testing and training extremely well. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavanagri, if our subconscious mind is open and if we are on a good spiritual level, then our karma is going to come us back quickly and we are going to repay it very quickly, and we are going to go through our testing, right? Only if we are in a good spiritual level and we are if we are a good soul, friends. Okay. There is no question of anything being destined. Everything depends on your present action. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that there is no thing called predestined. It always depends upon our karma and our present action. What present action we are taking, friends. Okay. Karma, good or bad, comes your way because of past and present action. So karma, whether it's good or whether it is bad, it is going to come to our way because of our present action, friends. Okay. But you have a choice to make negative circumstances pass by dealing with your problem well. So we have a choice by making the negative circumstances pass by leading our problem in a very better way, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagri. Spirit soul well will give you the strength. A belief in destiny maintains that no matter what you do, your circumstances will not change. So the spirit soul is going to give us energy and the healing to deal with whatever problem comes in our life, friends. Okay. And our strong belief in destiny make us predetermined that whatever we are going to do, it is not going, our life is not going to change, which is wrong, friends, right? So our life changes if we do good karma. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. In which case your struggle would be prolonged and would seem never ending. So in this case, many of the things, when some negative karma comes to us, and if we believe that it is predestined, then what happens, that we keep on our suffering keeps on increasing, and we do not find a solution to it, and which is completely wrong, because anything is not predestined, friends. Okay, it depends upon our karma and present action which we take, right? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. You, not destiny, are the creator of your own consequences. You are you, not destiny. You are the creator of your own destiny, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. The blessing and problem that comes your way on earth are of your own choosing in the spirit world. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari that the blessing and the problem which comes in our way, it is because of our own choosing in the spirit world. We have selected this problem and issues which we are going to pay off in this present birth. So if in my life I am facing any problem or issues, or in your life you are facing any problem or issue, because you have selected this problem and issues in the spirit world, friends. Okay, so don't take tension, right? There is God is there, pray to God, everything will be fine, friends. Okay, so do not take tension. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Because you have done something good or bad in this life, or in previous one, if you believe in your destiny, you believe that the consequences are fixed and your action have no relevance at all. So here so Vipsi and Ratu is telling this all consequences or karma is coming to us because we have did such some karma in our present life or past life. But many a time what we believe, that we believe we leave everything on destiny, and we believe everything is destiny. So what happens, so whatever suffering comes to our way, we accept it and we think that it is our destiny, and it cannot change, and it is completely wrong, friends, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Hopefully this information about karma will explain to some extent the pain that human beings go through in life. So this karma will be explained you on the same, because of that the problem with human being go in this life, because of their present action or past action which they have done in their past life or present life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Karma is not to be looked at with sadness, fear, or anxiety. It is necessary for our spiritual growth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari that our karma should not be looked as some sadness or some negative thing in our life. It is necessary for our spiritual growth. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. If you have hurt someone mentally, physically, emotionally, or spiritually, it will come back to you, and so will the blessing for some act of kindness done with a pure motive. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari that if we have hurt anybody mentally, physically, emotionally, or spiritually, it is going to come back to us, right, for our spiritual development, so that we could pay off those karma, friends. Okay, and if we did something good, even good thing is also going to come back to in our life. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Spiritual blessing and gifts are never of a materialistic nature. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari that spiritual blessing and gift are never of materialistic nature, friends. Okay, they come to you in the form of a happy family, loyal friends, talent, comfort, pets, finding a true guru or master, not a fake one, psychic ability like auto writing, child prodigies, being a good communicator. So this all thing, right, all the spiritual happiness comes in our life in form of a good family members, loyal friends, some of the talent, inborn talent, or automatic writing which we can do to communicate with the spirit world, and even psychic abilities. So these are the way in which we gain this knowledge, friends. Okay, So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari, and even sometime we become a good communicator and we get good gurus, spiritual master, not a fake one. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari. Having healing powers, invention and discoveries of the service of the mankind, good health, protection from negative for yourself and your loved ones, guidance and spiritual knowledge. So here our spiritual blessing can come in a very good way, like having a good health, helping other people, always guiding the loved ones in a proper way, being a good soul, being good habit, right? Having a good habit in inbuilt in us, right? Inborn good habits. So in this way, some good spiritual blessing come to us. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. Strength from God to handle your problem, opportunities to pay off your karma quickly. So even we many a time we get to strength to handle a problem and the opportunity to pay off our karma quickly. Okay, and skill that will enable you to better fulfill your mission and help other as well. So some skill we are going to learn to fulfill our spiritual missions. Okay, and help others. Debts have to be paid. Do not postpone debt to your next life by running away from your test. So debt have to be paid, and we should not postpone our debt by transferring it to our next life, friends. Okay, avoiding your responsibilities or following the wrong path. We should not avoid our responsibilities and we should not follow the wrong path, friends. Okay, you need medicine to cure your sickness, but the medicine may sometimes be bitter. So we need medicines to cure our sickness, and medicine should be sometime medicine can be sometime bitter, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. After taking the medicine, however, you feel better. Similarly, karmic debt may give you pain, but after dealing with them, well, you feel lighter and stronger and have a higher understanding. So, many a time, what happen when we are sick, medicine may be bitter, but after taking the medicine, we feel good, right? In the same way, whatever negative spiritual experience come to us or negative karmic account comes to us, it is comes for our betterment. So after taking that bitter karmic account, we feel relieved and we feel relaxed, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Always remember that you are able to handle whatever comes your way. In the spirit world, you took the counsel of the high good soul of your realm as well as three wise souls who helped you choose your path according to your capacity. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagari that whatever negative karma is going to come in our life, we will be able to handle it very nicely, because we have already taken counseling of our soul of our high good realm, and three high wise soul who have already counsel us, and whatever is going to come in our life, it is going to come by our capacity only, friends. So don't worry, be happy. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagari. Your test, training, and karma are given to you on the basis of what you can handle. So, our test, karma, and training are given to us on the basis of what we can handle. So, don't worry, be happy. So, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. Nothing beyond your capacity will come to you in your life. If you feel you cannot handle something, think again. So in your life, nothing is going to come beyond your capacity. And if you think that you cannot handle this karma, so think again, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagari. Perhaps you need to analyze yourself to see where you are going wrong. So perhaps we should analyze to see that where we are going wrong, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagari. So friends, our today's topic came to an end. So in our today's topic, we have covered the concept called what about destiny? Are karma testing and training separate from destiny? So this was the today's topic which I covered. And friends, this topic came to an end. From our next topic, I will be covering a new topic, that is your mission on earth. So this is going to be the next topic which I am going to cover. And friends, where this topic came to an end. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot cover this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4 5 6, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 14 video, 18 video, 23rd video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, friends, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And if you want to connect with me, you can directly connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So this brings to end in today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay blessed, and let us do good karma, and let us make this earth a heaven. Okay, friends. Bye bye. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, friends. Take care.